To subscribe is free. To subscribe yet.
No, 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 no. No. Them say blood thicker than water, but me see different. Some family love you today, tomorrow them change. Grow up in the same yard, eat from the same pot. No money reach the table, everybody change. Brother become stranger, stranger become friend. One wrong decision can bring everything to an end. Me trust blood, them sell me out for a little fame. No, me understand why loyalty hard to maintain. Every smile hide a secret, every handshake hide a plan. When money start calling, even family forget who you are. Blood and business don't always blend. Money can turn a brother against him friend. Some choose family and still lose everything. Some find real loving friends who stand through anything. Blood and business, think before you choose. One wrong move and everybody lose. Loyalty worth more than diamonds and gold. Character richer than money in a billboard. Me see friends save life while family walk away. Me see own blood sell you just for a better day. Not every relative deserve your trust. Respect and loyalty stronger than blood. Money expose every hidden intention. Greed create war and endless tension. If you have to choose who prove them hard. Because betrayal always leave permanent scars. Family can be a blessing and a curse. Friendship is a blessing when loyalty sealed. Don't let greed mash up everything you build.
Now, how come my brother go tell me now? And we can't find him. Eh? We can't find him fi find out what go on. Eh?
Oh boy. Where you do this again?
What me say me do this again? You understand what
about
go on?
4 to 5
Yeah, but we can't see man. I know man can't forward.
Ah, Jesus. Listen to me. And your brother, and this don't happen already. Where you can
What me say my brother and this none. But so when you come and make me know what go on and talk to me, he must stay wide.
You don't know if it all happened to him. You see you can't mash up?
Yeah, but me hear say nothing happened to him. I have a problem in jump out. That's why he can't even let go and loose. He can't spin and he jump out of the car. Eh? Me not understand what can go on. Watch out.
Listen to me. Leave your car alone.
Yo.
Stop and stop. Hello. How you do this? So you really go buy one box of curve in here? Fi do what? No.
Let me say fi do fi get it out of my head.
No.
Fi release myself, fi release my brain.
What is can do to you? No, this go bring back your car? This go give money to fix your car? No, tell me. Someone see
What you just know while ago?
mash up your curve in here.
A $1,500 me just spend for that. So you tell me something, me lose my car plus $1,500?
$1,500.
Yo, come like you understand what you do to me right now.
What you mean?
Yeah, but where you come here for now? Fi bring up my spirit or fi bring it down back lower? Eh?
I come for encourage you.
Encourage me then, no man, and tell me say I go fix up my car, you know?
What?
Fix up my car for me then.
What?
Fix up my blinking car, you have to do.
I mean, they must.
Yo, alright.
No,
Alright, so.
car for me. Drive out the
Yeah, make things better, I feel to make it worse. Just go and go cook food or sit, man, or climb up on a tree, limb or sit, man. Just relax yourself, man.
Really?
Make me just get myself out of the situation. I can't some brother now.
Stay
And you
at
come
the
talk
damn
rubbish.
house.
Stay with the house and do
Stop
what?
up on the damn car.
This gone, if you stay in the house.
You have a next car. You're gonna come and car you have. Stop behave so.
You don't get it, you know?
Me, I get it.
You don't get it.
Me
Business and pleasure. Business, let's hear it from you. Business and pleasure.
As
Relax
well.
yourself,
Yeah,
man, and
teacher.
leave me alone, man.
Be able to car alone.
Jesus Christ, man, Jesus
Come on.
Christ!
Come on. Alright, come. Let me give you one drink.
Me don't want no drink, no thirsty.
Me say a rum. Me give you a rum.
Me look like a rum to you, eh? Me look like a husband. Hey,
A rum
take
better
time,
than
go on.
the craving here.
What do you mean run better and craving? I don't know nothing right now. It's easy yourself. Left me
Alright,
alone.
come go buy back a craving.
Me good. You give me 5 minutes, me soon follow that yard. Go on, let's go on. Let's go on now. Go on now.
So yeah, be
Me just say
stop
for go on,
getting ignorant.
so go on and I'm ignorant myself then. Go on.
Remember, so this is vanity. Yeah? So you not have to the bills over here.
Vanity not true?
Yeah, vanity.
Alright, vanity. Take what you hear out your head. Tap the ear, then don't do it again. Tap the ear, then don't do it again.
Me not have to do them.
We walk barefoot. Don't walk with vanity.
You know, so you have to face.
I don't face my face. I tell you the reality. But you talk about vanity. My car match, but you talk about vanity. Hey, take time go on. Hey, take time go on, man. Yeah, me go on then.
She's depending on my love, yes. She's been spending a lot of precious time with me.
Yeah, brother, she don't even know you. Right now, I'm stressed out. But right now, I'm stressed out, bro. You don't know, say, between me and you, I never know one car, you know, bro. And me and the girl will meet at the bar in a car. And me I tell the girl, say, yo, normal, I make me focus on the drive. And the girl look come like he want to take off all my clothes off of my body certain way, bro. And even that bun me like boy, yeah. Brother, I just feel a way, dog. Cause you know what I say? I little look when I go look down because mama they jog off my clothes off of me certain way. And the little look, I go look down and go look up back. I want to chuck me see I come my way, so bro. I mean I have to go so boom fast and turn the car around place and the car go get out of control with me now, bro. And so, yeah. Turn it right now that the girl at the hospital. And I can't tell nobody say I'm already tonight. I try you and my G make me all tell her this right now, bro. Cause right now, mama, one of mama foot pop and one of her hand. Me I wonder how nothing no do me. And I'm already in the car. The car mash up wicked cause I told Chuck of the car and my brother yard. Cause watch you know. I never did go up there. Cause I didn't even know when I go say to him, man. I feel a way if you know say yo, you give me in car good and I go make me bad man. Yo, that's why I go tap any car I drive again, bro. I not can nobody tonight, just me, myself, and I. Cause I know you see distraction, I can't take that, bro, and I hit me and run from. Yeah. Brother, right now I'm broke, you know. I don't even have dollar to go fix car, much less to go send food, go give girl, you know, my friend. Right now, you don't even know how I feel.
I know so that's how you did that go there, you know. Sorry your foot.
Yo, watch out now, me and you chat. Me come check your look more for now. Or tomorrow if nothing. Yeah. Alright. Yeah.
Michael, I can't believe say I know you're not going to check your brother.
I know say I don't want to go check my brother. Actually, I don't know when I go say to my brother, I feel a way if you know say yo man give me a car good and I'm gonna make a mistake because that to go
Listen to me, that's why I can't agree, you know. Because you see, you ever do something, but you never can face what you do. You never can go and say, you know, say, brother, I'm sorry, or brother. You never, ever go to your brother and take your responsibility.
Of course, you come down here for cuss me, because then I don't talk your talk. I don't talk your talk.
Look how long it's happen. You dey hide. Oh, so when your brother come, what you do? Duck and hide and come by your business.
Kind of duck and hide.
So, alright, me know so if you're not there in my yard, don't have to your brother yard. Me know so you go there. And me know your brother come here so about more than 3 or 4 times and you're not there so. So where you there? Where do hide and grow there so?
Hide and go away. I'm there so for a day. I don't see none of you. I just know me I see you.
No, because me just come here so, but me know so you're there so, but me not say it to your brother. Michael, you need to go to your brother and talk to your brother.
You come like, the only thing you come here so for do now put more stress on my brain.
Oh, me put more
yeah, because me I try to take you off.
No, when man carry, you never know so you feel drive safe. Oh, so you drunk.
Oh, me I feel drunk. Oh, me feel drunk.
So what happened?
Then me not tell you what happened already. I doze off.
Doze
where a little car had me come towards me, me, it done then near me, I forgot so bam. What you want me do?
So what you do in the car?
I'm the one in the car. As 2 years me tell you say I doze off, what you want me do?
Boy, you lucky still, you know, because all that they carry them mash up. Me not expect you to come out alive. But now you're alive, you have to go do something, you have to go talk to your brother, you have to find out way to do this. You can't sit down every day and hide. Right now, you're mad, you know. Him done fine, you know. He literally gone a one box of craving, and me have to just dash it for your brother, you know.
Come like say.
And in the cost me for $1,500. Imagine you when I even go to him and know about him car.
That's why I'm not link him yet because I try to make piece of food for go check him. I can't check him so. I know him a premium. I go check him with my long hand so.
I want you to remember say that I'm business car and the other car just in a car when going with nobody not for going on car. So in your business car and you're lucky. Say, Michael.
Me I do you right. Me I go 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 do you right. Watch out now. Watch out now. But watch out now.
Don't make him find your kind of thing. Find him more damage best if you go to him. You hear me? I want you.
Damage me for what? I'm a big brother. Me and him can't reason out certain things. They tell me about damage.
Okay.
Me and him can't reason out certain things as a man. No, but listen up. Me just want to make piece of food as me tell her before. Me just try to make piece of food so that me can give him back and say, brother, me know me do something wrong.
Listen to me.
But
your
yeah.
brother not hard, you know. So if you're not having food, you can go to him and say, brother, you know. So
my brother not hard. You know nothing about my brother. I sense what you yarn him there, you know. You chat like say you grow with him or this or that. Me grow with him. Me know my brother still. You tell me, stop run me down and tell me about.
So if you go to him right now,
you tell me about my brother. You tell me about my blood brother where me grow with. What you tell me say?
Okay then.
What you tell me say?
Just alright then, now go to him. Sit down here so. And when him come down the road there so, you sit down here so and don't move. Go on to the man yourself. If you not have you just not have where you go to kill yourself.
Me not kill myself, but
so go on to him,
me no want go down there long hands so. Long hands so when me I go tell him say give him a long hand story, me need the try and then me can't do that.
Remember say something to you.
Me can't do that.
When time I did come back and care, remember say a long hand did come with it and him give you $10,000 to buy just and do what you do.
Because he did owe me the 10,000 there. I don't like say just give me because of goodwill. I owe me the 10,000 because I do something for him over yard.
Okay.
Yes.
But remember say always on your mouth in food and sitting there in place too.
Where you bring up all of this for? Yeah, my brother or yeah, my sister-in-law. Which one?
My sister.
So where you bring up certain things? No.
You have to bring up everything because you
right,
make your brother like he's a hard person when he is
Alright, watch out now. Just take your time and go on back to your yard. Please, may I beg you, take your time and go on back to your yard.
Take
your time and go on back to your yard, please. Because only thing you tell me say no right now, I just get cross and angry and I hit me a child enough to do. And you can tell me like you can demand me if it say yes. Me if do that for you or if you accept say that me if do or say for you because you say no.
I'm not demanding.
No.
I'm not demanding you. I'm just letting you know. I just feel away because he not treat me good right now because I owe a situation.
He not treat her good. Yeah, he not treat her good. And that's my problem that. He not treat her good. And me and you did it when him not treat her. Just please no man, just go on no man. Me just stay on. Yeah, even if I cause it, go on now. Me accept it say I do it then. Go on now man. Me can't manage. You see nagging when you come here with me can't manage. Me try to free my brain and he come like here put most. Alright, look come on. My brother always tell me say you see Franny. You say somebody for go on and then still turn up, you be the one for go on. You be the fool. Yeah man, me go on.
And I was leave the water back on the rat here.
What time? Hello? Hello?
Yeah, you hear me?
Yeah, me I hear you now. What going?
I'm there. That's how I'm calling to talk to you about your brother, you know.
What kind of trouble you putting yourself in again?
Why am I not even know? But we got cash June I can, you see?
I lie you tell.
Yeah, cash in my shop bad.
Jesus Christ, so something happened to him?
Nothing happened to him. Nothing happened to him. Him alright, but he can't alright.
Thank God nothing to him. But me not understand. Why Junior always they give Bulby the car? You know something talk to him about it though. And he now me no business if them my brother. And my brother them. He supposed to listen to me. Every time he give Bulby the car, something happen. And a matter of fact, he not supposed to give me Bulby not have no license. So Junior wanna go in at the problem. I lucky thing the car insure. Me backside, no, sir.
But you think you can insure? You need to call Junior and talk to Junior, because guess what? Since Bulby got she care, Junior look for him, but we can't find Bulby. And if we hold Junior, they look for Bulby. It seems like he might do him something if he find him. So when you talk to him and calm him down, because me I talk to him, he not listen to what me I say, and he might accuse me wrongfully of certain things that me not do. So when you talk to him, call him, and you talk to him and find out what really are going on. And you say, if you can call Bulby too, you call Bulby. Because Bulby, me see Bulby other day, you know. And Bulby, he might go tell me, say, he not come my brother until he have a money. So, I don't know if you tell us.
So me the thing say Junior never know about the car. That means that Junior knows that the car in a mash up.
He know because he must be...
Yes, because when you talk to me, me realize.
Okay. So when Bulby she care and him did have to take trailer or one of them sitting there go feed.
Oh.
He carry the yard right now, you know.
So Junior never tell me this. No, sir.
Bulby runway.
In damn right for runway. You have a right for runway. Because I know saying wrong. No mind sharp and no Junior lend him and he said Junior lend him the car. I saw them see people vehicle and take you all on brother. Drive you and put people in a problem.
Listen to me, and Junior lend him plus $10,000.
A lie. What you not say? Where the backside you not say?
Because he not even have money.
Here you are.
I'll see how Junior starts smoking one box of craving and that's your friend.
Here you again. What kind of problem this? So, him the judge you wrongful if it's something you know do. So, what you think? Say again, bun.
Yes, or something like that. I don't know.
Listen to me, girl. You're my sister-in-law. Junior is my brother. If you never know, Junior born as a jealous person. So whether you give him bun or you not give him cheese, he might go believe say you do it. Because you look nice and you want a nice girl. That's why I like you. See, first time Junior carry you come introduce her to me. If you did ever ugly girl, hey. And if you never look so good, my brother couldn't chat to you. So if you look so nice and look so good, he must know say man go look on you. Just you have to know yourself. And if you don't love one another, you don't stay together and settle down and sitting. You have to make him know so you not give him no bun. What kind of smoke pack a cigarette and one heap sitting on the bye-bye. No mind chop me say start drink and junk and lay down on roadside till dog a lick off him out and sit. I don't understand.
That alone left him do. Because me tell him to calm down, he said me not to tell him to calm down. So I tell him to run mad then.
Hola. Listen, if you are a woman and you can't tell him to calm down, who am I going to listen to? He might go hear me come here and sister, but he not have to do what me say.
Well, that's true, but you still can't help me talk to him.
No talk to him, know yourself. Thank you for calling me and tell me. Me go do it, man. Know yourself. Alright, later.
I work me there now. I'm there for my break now. That's why I call you.
Oh, alright then. Enjoy your break. Me we call him and talk to him. Junior now listen.
Alright then, later.
All the dirty ball be my brother, but me not tell no lie. Police then feel lock him up for the drive without license. Later, man. Later. No, man. Make them lock him up, man. Why you fi drive without license, you idiot? You don't know say that I want law. You're not supposed to drive without license. If I even want little learners, not even that, the police they will lock him up and give him not even days, years. Later, me girl. Later. Me no business for my brother. They too terrible. And them people they will not have no license. Always put people in a problem and they take people life and then not come out of it. Later, man. Later. Me can't bother. Me call that the one day, because I come like he nah no sense. I want to know where your friggin' problem. Where they take your car and give boy? Junior? Oh, you sound like you asleep, so. A girl you there?
No, bathroom me there.
Bathroom? You ever have running belly? Listen to me, hear you. Here there. Away you nyam. Some curry you go nyam when you cook good. Anyway, I know that me rant about still. Stay in your bathroom, but I hope you listen me carefully. Junior, oh, you go give Bulby your car and make him go crash it and you know make me know about it. Your woman just call me, you know, and they tell me if to talk to you. And you walk and buy a whole pack of cigarette and they smoke like you're an idiot. So you give Bulby your... Me don't want you nothing from you. Listen to me first. So you tell about your... You're lucky. Listen to me. You give Bulby your car for drive and you know you know no license, not even learners. All you the police will lock you up to. No, me not unfair and me not wicked. Me know so now go say, oh, me and a sister and brother and then me they say this and that. You don't know some people when have no license, they're not supposed to grow on steering. You don't know that.
Listen.
And then you go give him $10,000.
Listen, let me say the boy having learners and he's saying now go certain place. He's saying go have a driver beside. See? And if boy go drive a car without whosoever. So at that situation, somebody I feel some workless and when I have no sense. So I say never cut that out of your dirty vocabulary.
Look here, you don't worthless. You're not worthless, you're just careless. You're not worthless, you're careless. You're not even careless. You're careless. You're careless. Are you the police then feel lock up? Me and go thank God say nothing no do Bulby but come off a phone. And you have the heart, lend him your car and he mash up. He cup on your dirty. Look here. Hey, alright. Me want you come on me yard or contact me about nothing at all, but you can't hang up phone. Cup on you. I can't hang up phone and for me call you and they chat to your favorite wingworm. Alright. Big up yourself, Junior. Come call me and tell me about your problem about your woman and give you bun. Coupon you, I do a give your woman when you come like you're in a damn toilet and I must want girl the other day. As the great man tell one lie upon you and make your woman no say I do a give her bun. So no dirty man tan.
Oh boy.
You not get it, not true? You not get it.
When I get one.
For some reason you can't get it. You just like it, you just stick it there. That one. Me try to call him and the man on the phone.
I just see him a while ago.
You just see him so you tell him some more see him.
I tell him so you want to see him.
So how you go then?
Relax, calm down man, calm down. Listen to me, I go see your brother. Because I know say always there down a piece of shop always lock up down.
You know how much time I go down there? You know how much time I pass down there and check?
Me say, he did it from morning. So me say, that means say, yeah, I the better when him a come go on the shop side. But no, me not see him from morning. He say he not come up here come look for you. Because he don't know what to say to you and he not have no money to give you. So me tell him say, if he come talk to you, he say he not come until he have a piece of food.
What mean piece of food? Where you get the piece of food from? Who you go get the blinking piece of food
exactly.
from? You make it sound like say somebody have a piece of food and here, some dumpling, some yam or some. Yo, you hear me? The man are going like say in using brain because I guess I know. Me realize every time when me forward down there so, me hear a footstep a run I go so. I run the man a run from me.
Someone can then go on the shop side go check out.
You must tell me when we are shop side. You come like yo, you hear me? You come like you don't understand what I go on, how I feel right now. Right now, my only way of my investment. Me look up all the money when I save and sort out a certain way. And that's the man mash up, you know? And you know too. This thing I get from bad to worse now because the man don't want to surface up and say boy ropes. And tell me where you go cause even the papers and me man take out a car and hide. Me don't know why you do that for.
Why you do that?
Exactly, that's the question me ask you.
Makes sense.
You ask me ask you. That makes sense? This makes sense right now? You laugh. You happy not true?
Yo.
Because you don't have to worry about nothing at all. You swing and just relax yourself.
You need
Hair done, nails done, everything gets sorted out. What is in your hand? Eh?
No.
Yo, you hear me, man?
Don't pull that. You need to relax. Calm down. Calm down.
How if you calm down in a time like this, so I lose everything. Stop say calm, then stop say relax.
Listen.
Stop use the word relax and calm down. That's not possible right now.
Alright. Make nice. Run mad. Go on, run up the road and run, come back down. Jump over a fence. Do what you can do then. And that's what I'm telling you, sir. That's what I'm telling you,
You
sir.
tell that test for true, cause right now I tell you.
Alright, do it.
I do me do everything for man, you know. Me help man shoot straight through, you know.
Me
The
know
man say
that.
he want 10 grand for the same day, me give me 10 grand. Eh?
Me know.
Only if I want girl, the man go
But
check.
you tell me, say, I work for
Work for
10
what?
grand where you give.
Bulby work. Eh?
Tell a Bulby.
A Bulby me know him as a film pet name that. Michael, you know him as because you just a see him. So I don't understand what you come talk about. I come to you.
Me no remember, me no, so I'm not really calling that the name there. But listen to me. You need to, me no know. But is it that you go sneak up on him and catch him this or something? Or me I go there, distract him and then I walk in. So, but you have to go confront him because him not come to you as can to me see it. And him, me no know where him get money from because him not work. So he say him now come to you and let's see your money cause you angry and you ever go you go shout off him or then look at something.
Ah, you me say, see, me I'm going to lie down and sleep. Me will take an hour sleep and relax my little brain cause right now you talk beer, gibberish a bit. You know, like me want to give one tissue if you wipe your mouth. Because we've been through this over and over again. We are talking about this like our recurring decimal. This go on and on and on. It can't solve, it can't fix. If you, I hear me, a police before call, you know.
For your brother?
That me I forgot to do
For
something.
your brother when you call police for your brother for you not have to carry so far.
You
Me
not
just
get
tell
it.
you what to do.
You not get
Me
it. Tell me what to
just
do.
tell
What?
you what to
You not get it.
See me company man so be fig with fire so. Remember so now flesh and blood.
But they said they both say this one kind of light one, light brown, we got him on deck.
Look, that's just there.
I pray, brother.
Oh, long time we don't see man like
Just a
you.
long time I don't see you.
Pull up on my yard gate just so, like I'm here calling man.
I know say in a real life though, bro, you me say me a call link right now, me no want a big problem right now. Me I say, if you must can give me a hand, can give me a hand though. Serious.
And you know say, me I say from over there, me tap help people though.
In a real life, my brother.
Yeah man,
You know,
because,
say
alright, watch
first
out.
me I come to you about help, my friend.
Yeah,
and
but-
you tell me say me can come to you anytime
Yeah,
I
but-
feel like say, yo, me no want to
Yeah man, but watch out. Me say all of them sitting there, other day, but me I realize say, nobody now help me when nothing happen to me. So differently, you know, me have to I get the control of that because I use a man for try find out what they said, you know. Cause a long time me I had the road and a long time me and my brother said it. He never violate me. And me never ask for help.
Then that me I try to show him, brother.
True, you talk. So talk to him. What I'm to you?
No, say what day, one night me get my brother car, me I come from up the beach, I walk between me and you, you know. One catty there in a car with me. You know say all me did me is like the girl all off my clothes off of me certain way and thing. And me did there, you know, me I say mama normal no. You see look at time I go say mama normal and look up back so. I want to chop flat me see a forward so bad man, me have to go so fast. And you see look go me go so.
No man.
Right, not yet even know, bro. Me just feel stressed out. Right?
So what I'm to care? What I'm to girl? What come see? Yeah.
When I girl hand broke, that me I say bro, nothing no do me. And when I girl hand broke, when I girl foot broke in a hospital, right?
No,
Right now me didn't even have dollar for carry nothing. Say me I go buy it, go give girl for eat. Cause what? Me not have it. And me say me have to come check you cause I want a piece of food. Say.
And you know, see, I last 2,000 me and me do me take up and say, you know, me I go up on the road. Me I get that jug full. And me I go drink a special. That me say, cause a long time I go road, you know. So me say me I go road.
Like I'm a
Beat us. Brother, I want to. What you man?
Didn't even tell about the car yet. At that, didn't even tell about the car yet. The car mash up. Lick, the front right off. The whole like the front glass, they gone. He tap it rub right down.
So you are tell me say?
Then I'm tell you
No man, no. From then time then, I tell you to check me, you know. Cause I remember saying, you know, it is beneficial. Cause me that say, alright, my dog check me, man. I have to put out, buy some gas. Road. But say you tell me, say you check me, I know, and the car mash up. The car mash up. So and the girl hand, I always, you know, well, I not even know what to tell her, you know. I don't know what to tell her. Because how me I gonna help you, you know?
anything me get me take me.
I know, so I could, he can't go give him a mechanic virgin and tell him, say, no, he knows, so I know why I can't. So I can't go tell him that. We probably can't do something for you, bro, but I something I have to think about hard. I can't borrow money from my auntie, you know. But
Brother,
not, you know,
she
not,
even know you.
and that would mean I don't put people problem on my head too much, you know. Bro.
Bro, one time, I ask you for a little favor, you know, bro. One time in your life, bro. One time. I don't like me there. I don't like me wishfully want to
Do me a favor, do me a favor.
What that?
Me I go think about it, you see. You go full the water buckle for me and come back. When you come back, me don't think about it. Here. See 2,000 there. You buy rum. You drink it. You drink your rum. Full this. Just full your back. Me a meds it. Me a call me auntie and see it. Cause when my auntie tell me say you want lend more money to start a business and me I tell me auntie, me I tell her. Me I tell me say me no want to do that them. Cause yo, they go like say yo them yeah, they do it and done. Cause you look stressed out for you, bro. Cheer up yourself, man.
Good man, just
Shut her room.
big up
Yeah,
yourself.
light up on you. Give me a light. I'm still
Yeah,
enough light
sir.
all this for you.
Yeah, weed.
Weed.
One little piece now.
Yeah, a little weed to bum. I know I'm all pretty still, cause what are we want? Big up yourself, bro. Do you right? But you're not too long doing it, cause you just throw the last bit in your left in your fridge. Do it, man. But that's that was this one is too.
No. Them say blood thicker than water, but me see different. Some family love you today, tomorrow them change. Grow up in the same yard, eat from the same pot. No money reach the table, everybody change. Brother become stranger, stranger become friend. One wrong decision can bring everything to an end. Me trust blood, them sell me out for a little fame. No, me understand why loyalty hard to maintain. Every smile hide a secret. Every handshake hide a plan. When money start calling, even family.
I got my general. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, so, see what I want is like, I want to come show you vibes. Come on, borrow one little thing. No, that's a borrow one little thing. Okay. You just want to come talk to you, because I want to show you vibes personally. Better me show you vibes personally than me I come talk on phone. That's I think. Yeah, me might sound away because I'm under a little pressure, because you know, I have one little thing to sort out. Mm. Alright, cool, respect. My father now, yeah? Yeah.
Oh, yeah, doctor.
You mean say who me I talk to? When you're upon your phone, me ask you who you talk to? Where you come question for now?
Excuse me?
What do you mean excuse me? Why? I don't understand why you just in my business up right now. It's like you pressure me more than how me under pressure. You have to know how to deal with people, you know.
How me a pressure you?
What do you mean say how you pressure me?
More you tell me how me a pressure you. You ask her who you talk to.
Me ask you who you talk to on your phone when you cock up in a place enough time me walk come close by me in your car.
Don't do that.
What do you mean say don't do that?
I'm not that type of person.
So how you go
don't
there?
feel like I can say something. Me not do nothing like that. And why you talk to me like this?
Oh boy. Me under pressure, you know, because me have one thing we can start out in 2 weeks. And the worst part about it, the car where you claim say, me have one rental business, like one bridge when I rent the car for 2 weeks, and I think about the money, because the money we're supposed to use to insure back the car and it's sitting there. So one of the things me have to go, is that me I try to borrow one car right now. Me need a car right now. As you know how my little juggling go, that's a problem. Sorry if you go and still for real, but you have to understand so when I'm under pressure in talk certain things, that's why, you know, like, you know,
I need to relax.
relax, we can't relax right now until everything sort out. Top said I already relax. Me keep on tell you.
I understand what are you saying. But it don't happen already. Everything happen for a reason.
What kind of reason if you broke me down? No bother with that. Because this a crisis, because up until now me can't stand boy hide me.
So where you borrow car for now?
Yeah, because me have to go drop alright. You see, the boy when supposed to drop off 2 weeks worth of goods up at that place there. 2 weeks worth of goods.
Listen to me. It don't make no sense to go borrow a car right about now to do your business.
I don't think you know what
What
you're
if
saying.
something happen to
Nothing
people
not gonna happen
them
because
car and you
amigo.
have to go take care of that the car there. Plus you have this a car mash up. Just cancel it and just go and work for your car. See what can get done to your car. Me know say you mash up bad, but a more problem you put yourself in when you get one different car. And I'm not even feel car.
Go on and work. I work here go. I work here ready for go on and work.
So my car run.
Me not run, me just say go on and work and have a good day.
Sorry about everything. But later, I gotta make up.
No, don't worry about it.
So you see I go on there now.
You are going now. Long story short, one for terrible things that got my little brother. I can't find my little brother because you know, he mash up my car, turn over my car, right here off. I say right here, I mean say nothing can go on. It's like, I don't know how is it that nothing wrong with him, but the car mash up like say, you know, a 17 roll the car roller, you know.
So
like,
hold on. So a big accident where you happen out of square there.
yeah man,
Oh,
and him brother claim say say he slide in a water and everything. But me not understand how that possible if nothing wrong with him.
But no real name for that day there if nobody slide in the
Bro,
water.
at that time I tell me say some water puddle or whatever the case may be. But long and short, the car mash up. See? But reason for come check it is that you know he's a man who, you know, I you myself want a little car where I don't really so not drive it that much. You understand? Now and then, you know, you might see a little brother in it or so, you know, toy. But we don't say, you know, you might realize it.
Not really, you know, you have been learners and when just give me to just go and drive still side. You might go and drive still, you see me? So I don't really want if you say like take you back for him, I don't really give him fully still about you know you go already.
Yeah, but I don't want to come check it. It's like an emergency for me because, you know, my local business, you know, I little pick up and drop off and rate it, even though, you know, more and get the thing legal to get the paper.
Alright,
So,
you what going. Me know I have bridging still, but we could rent you at half price still now you go on.
rent, we don't really pay on the renting. Brother. And I don't like because, alright, you see if I rent, because you know, long and short, if I rent the car from you, see, it means every time I just go and peel up and then you know, buy back from you then or something.
No, I mean not sell it back. Alright. Hear me do. Let us give for 1 2 weeks and just go and drive it. Maybe raise with my little brother. I make you know say alright. You see me?
Yeah man, alright, really and truly, you know. I told me have some stuff for me have to deal with this a week, you know, with that they carry.
See how did that call me, where did I say? Oh. You know, say I reason me, you want to reason with you about a little vibe. Alright, so you are going. You know, say, the car where I drive, I want to bridge me to buy from, though.
Yeah man, remember say you buy it from your brethren. Glad say you sell off your liquor or nothing, you know, cause I'm glad to me have something I can move around with.
Alright, so you are going. You don't know, say, a car when him, you know, I drive out of business with, right off. See, and him did ask me for a favor if he say, boy, if I could lend him back the vehicle for 1 2 weeks and he just drive and match up when I match up and then try start up back himself. You see me? So, but I pre-say, for the time being, you could just go and easy back look like how, I don't know, work thing I use a vehicle for. And I just, but I pre-say, but I take it for 1 2 weeks and give make him just match up when I match up with it and then I get it back.
I'm gonna say 2 things, you know. 1, him mash up for him car, what that have to do with you? 2, you have to me say you're gonna take a car from me after you. How that makes sense? He sell a car and now he want to come borrow it back. Tell me how that makes sense. Him a pay?
Alright, remember say I don't really give a car and just lend it to just go and drive. I'm not saying not to have no license, you know. You learn as you have.
Listen to me. You see, if I take your vehicle from me and say probably say you want to use it if you do something, me understand, you know. What you take it from me if you give your brethren, you better if you tell me say you just want the car and do. Or you jealous say, me a car, my friend them round and me I got a party and me have 1 or 2 girls I pick up.
Yeah, say, yeah, think negative now. I don't like that. I'm a virgin. And what
me and your brother.
Yeah, I mean, I don't take it from you. Just 2 weeks now, I'll kill you. And what are friends for? Friends help friend in a time I need. So I just say go and like me, I take back the car from you. But if you want prison, I take it back. Fine, I just say things said.
Me feel say you're bad man. Me feel say you're bad man.
How me for bad man if you might want car?
Because you take it from me for letting your brethren where you buy the car from.
Give me a message. Just give me a key.
You know what, take a key.
Just give me a key. Just give me a key. Cause
that's some dirty stylist. Me have your own flesh and blood and you can give next man a car.
But you can't take a thing one different.
So how me I go pick up Keisha tonight when she says she want me pick her up later? Eh?
You can't call me to carry.
That go liquid on me thing. That go liquid on the thing. Me I come pick up girl in a taxi.
Yo, bro. This no man, I don't joke thing, no man.
So you're not afraid? So you go crash a car like how you crash Finn car?
I know him crash and brother crash, nothing to do this. Long time them man they drive. I'm about to say you don't analyze see the man all day are driving them and if you crash a car, you know, big old problem me now, you know.
You know, no pick car and crash.
Where you go now?
Where the bad dog?
There, man. I go on. Tell me what I go on now.
Boy, I have some bad news. You know.
Yeah, I want to hear about your bad news. You know. Tell me that tomorrow. So you say I go on TV. Must we have a couple mission for cracking.
But that's why I tell you I have some bad news, dog.
That you talk about?
Listen to me, son, man. You know, so I forward him and my brother I tell me, say, he might go have to take a car.
You say?
Yeah, man, he might tell me, say, he go have to take a car because in bridging when he buy from, want borrow it for a couple weeks. So I not gonna have it for 2 weeks. I tell him, say, that don't make no sense. Because if he buy a car from him, man, why he go lend him back? But, we give him a car key and can't bother go nowhere, no dog.
You know, some TV here not talk we say a while ago. You just go through the years and go through that one a while ago. So I tell me say you can't get a vehicle.
What do you mean me can't get a vehicle? Me not have a vehicle. The man have his car key.
Brother, you must be done line up a girl already, you know. Every girl line up right now, you know. Line up and ready, you know. Before, you know. I'm telling you everything active. So what am I going to tell him say now?
Bro, tell him so the car crash. Tell him say we are drive the car and the car crash so. Or make up some excuse, dog. Tell him so we have to link them.
Can you text me a liar and them thing, bro? Tell the girl them say we just a forward, you see me? And link you up and everything cause they ready. You see me?
Tell the girl them say in 2 weeks we link them, dog.
So that joke to your father. Maybe in 2 weeks.
2 weeks, my brother saying you go have a car for 2 weeks. What else you want me do? The man have his car key. He carry the right side, you know, but me can't drive it.
You are going. Alright, see car right side. You see me? You say you give a kick in everything.
The man taking car key.
Rent the next car then, bro. Rent the next car, man. Cause joke, you move like a wet bread, you know.
First thing, you have money for rent car. And second of all, we don't have license, you know? So how we are going to rent car and we don't have license? Who go rent with one car and
bro,
me and you don't have license?
Like on your bridge in them or something, man.
Which bridge may have where we have car rental place?
You have to figure out that, bro. I'm don't tell you what I'm going on right now. You say everything after you know my father tell me different thing, bro.
Bro, why you not go rent one car?
You have the money, me not have the money. It's not like a joke thing with the money.
Bro, I don't know what to tell us, son, dog.
You can like say all the license plate tomorrow 5 weeks. Watch it.
My brother take care because you know what, if you take up a car, then me drive off the car. So you take off the license plate for sure, saying serious.
You serious than me? You serious than me and you?
Yeah, I try, sir.
But right now, take if you take off all the wheel off of the car. You see me? Because if you can't get if you drive and we can't go. So if you say go up, you punch a wheel or something, brother.
You know, say right though. Me should have cut the brake line because a long time my mother tell me say, oh, the brother I want little crosses, you know.
You can't them things, bro. So make you link him or they make you know say yo, such and such.
Yo, you don't have nobody who can buy a car, so I can sell it and done. Because if you want to take a car from me, it makes sense, me just sell it. I make somebody come tow you and take it away.
You know nobody still out, you can figure out something. You see me? I make a link. Because say link work, you know. If you have links in Jamaica, you might as well dead.
Yo,
you see me?
If anything, me link in a dog.
So yes, make you lift off to a wheel man or something, man, or punch a wheel man or something, man.
Yo, Richie! Richie! So I must joke to beef, man. Me follow me see one push run past me and I say, must some bad luck this, you know. Me never see black push run past me yet. And this man of all the man, he want black push run past me. Yeah. Me there place, but yeah, man, me see car, but the car a 3 tire up on the car. What I mean? All the lights. Bro, tell me what I go on. Style thing is because I understand what I go on. Me get if you understand, hey yo, listen me I say. Bro, a 3 tire the car upon. One of the front tire gone, the front rim gone off of the car. Yeah, that me I say, bro. What kind of style thing? When I don't talk about certain things, bro. 2 week, hour. You know, everything good because I realize what I go on. I style thing this, everything good. Yeah, man, everything good. Bless myself, yes, sir.
Yo, Romy. What do you want? I take off the wheel off a car? Which wheel?
Stop going like you're an idiot, man.
No, you're talking about.
You well know, say, Junior have to come pick up your car. And you take off the wheel.
Me take off the wheel? You see me take off the wheel off a car?
Yo, just tell me which part of the wheel so I can put it back on the car, man.
Bro, if you never see me take off the wheel off a car, how do you come to the conclusion say me take off the wheel?
Alright, you see since I know you take off it, I just so get one spear and put it on it and just sell the car once and for all and get rid of it.
Then do that then. I don't know why you come to me and try accuse me say me take off wheel off a car. That makes sense logically and me want to drive a car?
Alright, that good man, that good. That good man, that good. Since I know you take off the wheel, I just so sell it and just get rid of it and done. Because I don't like problem, you know. I don't like problem. And I see it say, my one car out to start problem. So I just do
Are you want to cause problem for no reason because you want to try blame me for your problems?
Okay. Alright. Yeah, me go do. And I don't tell you already. But just sell the vehicle and get rid of it. Do what you have to do, man. Everything good.
You're too bad, man.
Yeah. No, 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 no. No. Them say blood thicker than water, but me see different. Some family love
pray
you
now,
today,
bossy.
tomorrow.
They all look for a better one.
So what you say you plan for do?
What? Plan for
Me
what?
about your little thing in a little accident. Eh?
Brother, you hear say, listen, and I like say the accident we go on and hide. If you just, you come like say a people business they just want to hear.
Accident nah hide, but
No.
you a hide.
Me a hide, where me a hide from? Where the where me a hide from?
Listen what me a say. You a big man, and your
Somebody
brother a big man. Look at and you don't have to go fix this thing. You see me?
Me ask you one
Cause
question.
if I go run up and down.
Let me ask you one question. Are you my friend or me or your friend?
No,
if I
but
this
me a
come
tell you the
to
truth.
listen, if I this come to me with a go on, man,
So
go on.
what you plan for
No,
do?
no, ask
What
me
you
plan to do.
for
Me no plan to do nothing with you involved. Go on, if you just come good. Cause I man see chatting and fear yapping, me down the pony and in bag of nagging and never that me tell us if you link me for. In the first place.
But him
I never that me tell her to link me for. No, man I see her as a man I see her as a man but chat like I'm a liar. I go pick up film. You liar, you ever go a liar
So
school?
what you say plan for do?
No ask me that. Don't ask me that. Don't ask me that. No, if I plan, you ask me. Come here, so if you ask me what me plan for do. Don't ask me that. You take your time. Go and go. You have a woman. You have a pity them. Go ask her pity them or a woman.
Have a great evening.
Are you feel have great evening, man? Because you don't understand.
Me no want hear nothing more.
Are you me no want?
Me no want
That you have to tell him.
So just look at no man.
That you have to tell him.
Alright.
That you have to tell him.
Alright, look at now. Look more.
Because every time we know I do this, I don't understand. Everywhere we go, same thing. Me a hear. I'm telling you, man, no go on, man. Go on, man. Oh, it's a call me too. Hello? No, sir, me there, man. Me good. Where say, me fi check you. Which part you there? Alright, give me about 5 minutes time to pull up on your foot. Alright. Alright. So you call me down yourself. I have your reason you call me, because I be things are going right now and I can't manage it one bag of chatting certain way, you know. I realize. Even though I know you, everybody will come to me with argument when I not like. So, how will you call me for now?
Oh, you sound so?
Oh.
Aggressive, like you don't want me as your bigger sister call you and talk to you. What is the problem?
No, listen,
every time you do.
No, I know that. A while ago, me turn up down this up. People are come to me with argument. I go tell me, say, me they hide. What me I hide for?
That a few and them business. Me and your sister, me your bigger sister. Me don't want to hear nothing about nobody. Listen to me. Why you take your brother vehicle and go mash up it? And you they hide for you. It's spread all over the place. Everybody know about it.
Me a hide. Yeah, me know kind of hide. I have to show you. But yes, say me a hide. Me not hide. Me a hide for me done. What do you? My brother woman see me and come to me and say, yo, me a hide. Me a tell her, say, no, me not hiding. Me a try see me can make her money. So when me see my brother, me can give him something. But me not make him money now. What you want me do? Me can't go link him with broke hand.
Bolby, listen to me. Me and you are brother and sister.
Yeah, me know that. You're my big sister, but
okay.
you pick up the people.
Me and him, our brother and sister.
Yes,
same way. So the three we come out of the same mother. And when me call if you talk to you, I don't want you to tell me not about nobody this and nobody that. This a family issue.
Alright.
You mash up your brother car and you are run from the problem.
Me not run from no.
Why you never confront him and talk to him? So when you talk to me, because you're going like I say you're older than me. You understand me? Me don't hear what you have to say already. When you listen to me now. You mash up your brother car. And you couldn't just confront him, just call him and talk to him and say, Junior, listen. I don't really spite me do it for. I just somebody running at me then. If I'm to tell him one lie, he da feel better. You take up yourself and gone. I mean blame him too. Why him give you 10 grand? And then now him a work
for it.
No, listen, him a work for what? Look how much sitting in do for you. Then him now take up himself, they buy cigarette, a whole pack of cigarette and a smoke and a walk and smoke like an idiot. We soon hear saying they drink and lay down a roadside.
I'll hear my point of view.
What you talk about? Your crash vehicle already done mash up. What you talk about? At the running part me they talk about. Why you run?
Run from who?
Your brother
You see me I run from nobody. Me you see me I run from him.
Me not even know about you. Hear me here.
Everybody else say me mad.
Not to you.
Me hide from my brother. I must mad me.
No, I'm not mad, you're mad. I think you're smart. I like you're clever.
Oh, me smart and clever. Me don't know what talk about.
Hello, you shouldn't run no steering without no license.
I'm not license driver. Only by the time I go on road without license, I don't hit driver. My foot on my hand, but
hello, that's the law.
Listen up. Night when me I drive the car, I doze. It's like I doze a certain way.
Really? Must say I drink and drive, you're little idiot.
Listen,
you're not supposed to drink and drive, you're not supposed to drive without license, papi sure.
No, sir. It come like a joke thing on the pan for you now.
What means a joke?
Joke thing?
So we can check me from time there.
So imagine you call me out there and I this a car.
Yeah, if we talk to you because you mash up the vehicle and then I run and I hide. Are your brother? Why you can't talk to
The
him?
most problem that put me through my youth.
Who put that your problem? Who put that your problem? Who put that
So when me pay for the
thank you.
Where papers? Alright, where papers then?
My assume no one knock you out in the bro.
So
you see
now
boy
move.
link you from them time there. But do your things in a youth.
So now move.
When me say something, I'm home, I'm home. Eh? So what you plan for though?
Where you run for?
Run from
I
for?
you could have just talk about it and done. I want to
Talk about what we done. Tell me say me a try make a piece of food before me even.
Make a piece of food.
What you do?
No, 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 no. No. Them say blood thicker than water, but me see different. Some family love you today, tomorrow them change. Grow up in the same yard, eat from the same pot. No money reach the table, everybody change. Brother become stranger, stranger become friend. One wrong decision can bring everything to an end. Me trust blood, them sell me out for a little fame. No, me understand why loyalty hard to maintain. Every smile hide a secret, every handshake hide a plan. When money start calling, even family forget who you are. Blood and business don't always blend. Money can turn a brother against him friend. Some choose family and still lose everything.
If only I did listen to me. I make your own blood do this to you. It's been 6 months and I had this time of my life. Why? Why you never listen? Why you so stubborn?
To subscribe is free. To subscribe yet.
No, 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 no. No. Them say blood thicker than water, but me see different. Some family love you today, tomorrow them change. Grow up in the same yard, eat from the same pot. No money reach the table, everybody change. Brother become stranger, stranger become friend. One wrong decision can bring everything to an end. Me trust blood, them sell me out for a little fame. No, me understand why loyalty hard to maintain. Every smile hide a secret, every handshake hide a plan. When money start calling, even family forget who you are. Blood and business don't always blend. Money can't turn a brother against him friend. Some choose family and still lose everything. Some find real loving friends who stand through anything. Blood and business, think before you choose. One wrong move and everybody lose. Loyalty worth more than diamonds and gold. Character richer than money in a billboard. Me see friends save life while family walk away. Me see own blood sell you just for a better day. Not every relative deserve your trust. Respect and loyalty stronger than blood. Money expose every hidden intention. Greed create war and endless tension. If you have to choose who prove them hard. Because betrayal always leave permanent scars. Family can be a blessing and a curse. Friendship is a blessing when loyalty seal. Don't let greed mash up everything you build. Because broken trust can never truly heal. Blood and business don't always blend. Sometimes family become the enemy, sometimes friends. Life teach every lesson with a heavy price. Think before you gamble with your life. Blood and business, remember this forever. Money come and go, real loyalty lasts forever. Stand with those who stand when everything falls apart. Because true family first lives inside the heart. Not every blood relative is family. Not every friend is a stranger.